Today I'll just be making a steel punch. In line with the theme for the rest of the series, I'll be using mild steel as it's readily available. I was struggling to get enough heat into this piece, partly due to low pressure in my gas bottle, but also mainly just having such a small forge. So that's something I'd like to discuss a bit later in the video, looking at some other options and how to improve on this moving forward. Due to the angle that the stock was cut on and forging at a lower temperature, I experienced a little bit of fish lipping. I rectified that just by upsetting the end. I decided to relocate the camera to the other side simply because it was getting in my way while I was trying to forge. So I'll clear that area a bit more and I'll probably do more filming from that side in the future. So just retouching on the subject of not getting enough heat into my forge, I've been talking to another YouTube creator lately, and he's got a couple of nice little videos. So go and check out Phil's channel. I've put a couple of screenshots up there, especially if you're into knife making and swords and things of that nature. And it looks like a very functional forge is built there. Just from his video footage, you can see the heat that he gets into that steel. So definitely go and check that out if you're wanting to do a backyard setup like that. Just a quick shot there of how the anvil's holding up so far, and also a photo of the finished punch for today. I've got a couple of other pieces there just to give you a bit of an idea. You don't have to forge if you want to make a punch or a chisel. You can always just use stock removal. That's a fairly good option for a beginner, especially again as an option if you don't have a large enough forge to get that heat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, we'll see you on the next one.